Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. This week we're going to be taking you through the DC Auto Show. We got exclusive passes, so before anyone hits the floors, we're going to show you what's new, custom builds, and see what else we find. Let's get into it. So when we were trying to get rid of my Tiguan, I was on the fence about, truck versus like an SUV. And if I didn't get my High Country, this was going to be what I was looking out for. So this is the 2026 Yukon XL. It apparently goes for the same price as the truck, so I kind of could have done it. But the space is just phenomenal. Come on. It's got a full screen display. It already has the amp research, or electric steps in general, but definitely luxury. You tell me, are you an SUV or truck kind of person?
I'm not here to give you guys details and specs about vehicles. I'm here to check out the cool stuff. So right here, 1985 Buick Wildcat. It is a rear engine car. It's pretty sweet. Check it out.
They've locked all the vehicles. All right, do you think I could pull this off? Goodness, oh no, long legs aren't meant. Carbon fiber interior, nice. What do you think, babe? Think we can get it? It's nice. Wait, how do I get out? Oh man. Wait, I gotta use that. No, I don't. There's a way to get. It's a button. Button. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's too luxurious for me.
All right. I got two Corvettes here. I got the Z06 in the orange, which would match the truck nice. Then I have the new ZR1X. The X is kind of like more hybrid style. It's got a 5.5 liter V8, plus it's got a 186 horsepower electric drive unit with it. I think I would take the Z06 over that. I don't need all the fancy bells and whistles, but I do like the performance side of this. Carbon wheels, carbon aero package on the front. As long as in the back you got the spoiler. And I believe it has rear diffuser, which pretty much come factory on these. But I do like I'm not usually a gray person on interior, but I do kind of dig this one.
All right, while we're here at the DC Auto Show, we had to stop by one of the featured exhibits, Art of Motion. So here we have Sean.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm really bad at names,
no, it's
so
okay.
I'm glad I got that on the first try.
No worries.
So tell us what's going on. Tell us a little bit about what Art of Motion is and what we have behind us.
Yeah, sure. Art of Motion is an exhibit here at the Auto Show brought to you by Automotive Rhythms. And basically, the goal and purpose is to highlight local artists and also help bring their creativity to different vehicles, which we get to custom paint during the show. So it's a great experience, and we get to interact with all the show guests.
I love that. It gives a lot more of a unique piece. I think we're seeing the same kind of at least in the truck scene, we see, basic lift, tires, and so forth,
sure.
But you're bringing a whole new flavor, and to support local is the way to be.
Exactly.
So what are we doing? Is this chalk or what?
So this is basically all the art cars are wrapped with a white vinyl wrap, so that makes it easier for artists just to go paint right on top of the bodywork. And so basically I just use like an interior house paint because it sticks really well to the vinyl wrap. And I'm working on the Ford Mustang Mach-E. So this is a fully electric vehicle, so I want to kind of highlight that aspect of it. in the design.
Not EV.
Yeah.
I
know,
guess
right?
because of how nice it's going to look, I would accept this
You
one.
let it pass.
Yeah, I would pass.
Yeah.
So with the theme, are you going to give us any insights? I know you've already started.
So basically on this side, I'm kind of highlighting the Mustang logo that, you know, is synonymous with the Ford Mustang. This being an EV, it's like the next generation of the Mustang. So I'm really trying to bring out those electrical aspects, kind of like the supercharged aspect, and also the performance aspect. So there'll be like racing flags, just a lot of movement and motion to kind of highlight and exemplify the features of the car.
All right. And then one more question for you.
Yeah.
What do you want people to notice first in kind of what you're sculpting? Like, I know you said that you're trying to theme it based off of, you know, the make and model, but what else do you think will be a unique feature that people should be looking out for in your piece?
I mean, I think just like in general, you don't really get to see like artists paint on vehicles. Of course, you know, people are familiar with framed artwork and things of that nature, like murals and public artwork, but to see art pieces on moving cars, well, I mean, they're still here, but you know what I mean? Eventually, when they get driven around, it's just something cool to look at, something cool for the people at the auto show to come see, and just to give a different fold, a different aspect to the entire show altogether.
Absolutely. So, does this mean that I can call you up after this one?
Yeah, for sure.
Trucks?
I got you. Whatever you need, I got you.
All right, well, let everyone know your handle or how they can reach out.
Sure. It's SP The Plug on all social media. And the plug is an acronym for Painting the Legacy Under God. So my name's SP, those are my initials, and then that's my mission. So definitely.
All right. Well, thank you so much for taking the time away from your masterpiece.
Yeah.
Excited to see how it turns out.
Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you. We found Dodge. Ram, you know, they all separated. But what originally drove me to this 2026 Laramie Night Edition is this fancy little badge. Did not know that this is the new go-to for all the Hemis? All the new Hemis. I'm referencing to my mom because she's been looking for another vehicle, so she knows more about this than I do. But what is so unique, and I don't know how I feel about it yet, is that in the inside, the passenger gets their own screen. So apparently they can play video games and do some other weird features. So can't show it because it's not on, but I don't know, that's definitely unique for sure. And with the Night Edition, it has obviously the black accents with that nice black metallic. So, I mean, she's not too bad for a gasser. I mean, the little touches that they've done to this one specifically are nice. And they've done the special, in this particular one, they have the special stitching for 250 years. So, Merc, right?
Exotic cars are defined as rarity and distinctive style,
Distinctive style.
making them
Aspirational.
like a Rolls Royce or Lamborghini.
Where there we are. Give us
While supercars are top tier,
top tier.
yes, where exotics focus purely on extreme race level performance,
Vroom,
speed,
vroom.
and handling, like Ferraris and McLarens.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Give us a little speed.
I'm trying to find some supercars.
Oh, come on, Aaron.
Oh, can't we just
All right.
walk over there?
Some supercars: Ferrari 488, Lamborghini Aventador, McLaren 720, and a Ford. Dang, a Ford GT is a supercar.
A Ford GT. That's something we could probably afford.
Shoot, we've had one of those.
You ever had one?
We had a GT.
No,
You had a Mustang.
I don't know cars, I just know trucks. Something I've always appreciated about the DC Auto Show is the kids section. They've been like growing it every single year. This time they actually have like little driving experiences between the little ATVs to the little go-karts, blow up, the blow up houses or bouncy houses. It's very family oriented, which you don't get that most of the days. Usually you see bikini contests with girls twerking, so it's really comforting and kind of nice to have an atmosphere where you can literally bring any age.
It's a baby Yoda.
So we can't talk to them, but they were very educational. We talked to Chris and Nemo. They were telling us a little bit of the benefits of the Cybertruck and stuff. I know this has been such a hot conversation in the truck community. Personally myself, you know, I'm a diesel, everything mechanical kind of girl, not electric, but it does have a really nice interior, you know, for what it's got. I just, it's not the flavor for me, but they do offer free where you can actually go to one of their locations and drive it for 24 hours or take it. So if you are interested in seeing or like just trying one out, you know, go check them out. So no more ZX-10, people who follow, she got stolen, but I've been on the lookout for the next ride that doesn't make me completely feel like a pop-pop. And I just checked out the other, at one of the Harleys, this new 2026 Road Glide. I know it's not the perfect blue, but to Paradise, I think we could do something. It's a little bit different than obviously having my legs in the back end on the ricer, but what do you guys think? You think I can pull this off? I like this more than the Ultra Glide, I believe, because I believe the front end usually turns with it. This one has its own rotating, so I'm able to actually turn without the whole thing, which I feel like riding it will be a lot more pleasurable. You got this?
You got this.
You know what you're gonna say?
Yeah, gloves in the air.
Ew. Okay. Oh.
That's even better. All right, we're wrapping up for the 2026 DC Auto Show. We're down here in the imports and fancy cars, but yeah, it was definitely pretty cool to see all the new stuff they've been coming out with, as long as the people who are like us, enthusiasts, bring out their stuff. So, hope you guys enjoy the content and see you on the next show.
Yeah, I think with this, the most interesting was the art of motion that we've interviewed earlier. Again, family oriented show, and you get, you know, if you're searching for a car or something like that.
It's up, look.
Are you gonna go down it?
No, they have a weight limit.
Anywho, if you're looking for a vehicle, it's a great place to go see, you know, without having to go stand in the cold and talk to a bunch of, you know, salespeople. So definitely come out. There's a lot of interesting and unique builds on the bottom floor. That's probably, obviously, out of the art of motion, my favorite part, but definitely a show to see and keep you warm. All right, make sure you like, subscribe, and let's get back to work.